In this video, I'll show you how to use Google AI Studio for Business in 2026. Google AI Studio can be useful for businesses that want to experiment with Gemini and create AI-powered workflows, content tools, assistants, and internal applications. First, open your web browser on your PC or laptop and go to Google AI Studio. Sign in with the appropriate Google account and open your workspace. Before using AI for business, decide what task you want to improve. For example, you might use AI to generate marketing ideas, summarize documents, draft customer support responses, analyze text, or help your team with repetitive tasks. Once you have a clear goal, create a new prompt or project. Write detailed instructions that explain what the AI should do. Include the business context, target audience, desired output format, tone, and any important requirements. For example, if you're creating a customer support assistant, explain the type of customers it will help, the tone it should use, and the types of questions it should handle. Next, test the prompt with realistic examples. Try several different inputs and carefully review the results. If the responses are inconsistent, improve the instructions. You can add examples, clarify requirements, or specify exactly how the AI should respond in different situations. You can also use Google AI Studio to experiment with AI-powered applications. For example, a business could create an internal tool that summarizes reports or helps employees generate standardized content. If your business application uses an API, follow Google's current API and Google Cloud setup requirements. Keep API keys, customer information, and other credentials secure. Privacy is especially important in business environments. Before entering company or customer information into an AI tool, make sure your organization's policies and applicable requirements allow you to do so. You should also have people review important AI-generated content before it is sent to customers or used to make important business decisions.